If you go to Fiverr.com, one of the most popular freelancing platform, and search for 3D CGI animation, here you can find hundreds or even thousands of these freelancers who are providing this amazing gig, as you see. And of course, the majority of these freelancers mainly rely on AI technology to make these beautiful commercials. And first of all, what does it mean by CGI videos? It's making a realistic image or video using 3D or 2D animation of objects and people to promote different products, whether they are beverages, books, fashion, and the like. And of course, this type of videos spread and increased widely, coping with the increase of the more AI tools that make the process of creating and producing these touchy beautiful ads easier and more professional and fascinating. So how we can create these beautiful amazing commercials CGI videos completely for free and to make money online with them. First of all, how we can get ideas to create these beautiful ads to promote a specific product. Simply, we can head over to ChatGPT at the first place, and here we can answer this prompt like this one: act like a professional CGI ads maker. Give me creative ideas to make a commercial of a croissant named Molito or something else. And then you can find this result that gives you different and a plethora of different creative ideas that you can use to create your commercial or CGI videos to promote this product. Or simply, you can actually brainstorming yourself and get many ideas, creative ideas beyond the AI, and just jot down your description as it has using Google Translate. So for example, if you are speaking German, for example, you can head over to Google Translate and here insert your description from your mind like this one, and then you can find this translation as you see. Like, imagine if I were to create a real image suitable for a CGI advertisement depicting a giant croissant the size of a building standing on one of the streets of Cairo or any city of the world. It's a shiny and it looks very tempting and delicious in the daylight. In the image, you can see a helicopter approaching the croissant from afar. So here it's a simple description of your image, so you can deal with that as a professional prompt to create your amazing start point of your CGI video. And you can take this description as it is and you can head over to one of the most powerful image generators out there, like this one, the Recraft.ai, and here you can find amazing result using this Recraft V3 Raw. For sure, it's a beautiful and fantastic result from this amazing tool, and for sure, it's completely for free, by the way. So here you can find a delicious croissant with the size of a building as you observe. So you can create your scenes and your imagery for your videos using these steps. And just I can try this one, this helicopter that takes this croissant into a giant bowl of chocolate like this one, as you see. And here you can, I just use this amazing description, like these giant croissants floating and moving smoothly on a river of chocolate as you observe. It's amazing scenery of this CGI video. Then it's time now to turn all these images into videos. For sure, there are many ways to turn these videos to a professional video clips, and completely for free, as I said earlier. Like this one, you can head over to djn.ai. It gives you a free plan and extra credits when you are signed in every single time. And here just you can try this amazing website to create these beautiful video clips like this one as you see. So here you can find this helicopter, okay, and this one as well. Perfect scenes and video clips for making your own video, and so on and so forth using djn.ai. And here you can find I have huge credits left. And for sure you can try this amazing website that is Google AI Studio, and head over to Video Gen. And you can find a plethora of different possibilities to make your own AI videos. Either you can animate your image using the camera movement as you see in this preview, or you can upload and insert your image and just insert your description as you observe, or you can create on all your video from a prompt or a description, or that we can say text to video. And for sure it gives you a free plan. And for sure and honestly, there are many ways to create realistic and more powerful videos just by using some freemium tools like this one, kling.ai.com. It gives you a free plan, you all know that, but the paid plan is greater and more professional because it gives you the area of insert different frames like the image start point and the end point and so on, and just you can make a description of morphing, for example, or transforming from this A point to Z point and so on using this amazing tool. Or you can try as well on the most recent AI video generators like this one, freepic.com. Here in this AI suite, you can click over this to generate your video, and here you can upload your start image and upload as well your end image, and here you can find this description from the AI suggestion, or you can insert your own in this box, and for sure you can find a wonderful result video clip from Freepic. Or you can try this amazing tool that is nim.video. You can try for free and make your own videos and as well as your images in the same place. And the best part here, talking about the nim.video and the Freepic, here you can add sound effects and music tracks, and for sure I just leave down below in the description box in the first comment a huge list of the best free tools to convert your image to video completely for free. And for sure with time you can get more professional day by day to create beautiful AI videos and ads and CGI commercials to promote different products, and you can get many ideas as a brainstorming from TikTok videos, YouTube videos and so on to make your own videos more attractive and more realistic. And the best part here, if you want to make money online from these such beautiful videos, providing, as I said earlier, in this freelancing platforms, starting with Fiverr.com, Upwork, and so on. I recommend you to make your own pages on social media like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, and so on. Upload your own videos that you have made using these tools with different ideas of different products like books, dresses, milk bottles, and so on. And that way you can get more traction and get more visitors and customers on your effort and your creativity to create these such beautiful CGI videos to promote their products. And by the way, there is something interesting I'm gonna tell you regarding the power of using ChatGPT for making your CGI videos. If you admire an image of a product you saw on video on TikTok, YouTube, or something else, so you can get a screenshot and upload your own image and this image as a reference in ChatGPT, and just you can change different things, different details like the name, different lights and so on to create your own product similar to the reference you admire of. And here you can use the power of ChatGPT even in the free version, in the free plan, like this one, and just ask it to insert this brand name like Milkly as you observe. So for sure you can download this image for free and go to the process earlier to convert this image to a video and so on, just by making all these various fruits surrounding this bottle and this pouring, the smooth pouring of honey and so on. So you can try all these tricks to make your own CGI videos, especially on TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. So trust me, it's time now to step into this amazing gig to make money online using AI videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question, you can leave us a comment section. See you in the next video.